The iPhone calendar helps manage daily events, meetings, and special moments with reminders, ensuring you never miss important occasions. It's essential for staying organized in both personal and business life. Part 1. Why you need to back up calendars on your iPhone. iPhone calendars are so important that we need to move them to computer or other devices to ensure that they are secure. Part 2. The best way to back up calendars from iPhone. The best and most recommended way to finish the iPhone calendars is to use a professional iPhone data backup software, Mobikin iPhone Data Backup. Here's how. Step 1. Launch the software and make it detect your iPhone. Step 2. Preview the calendars and select your wanted data. Step 3. Export calendars from your iPhone. Part 3. Use iTunes to export iPhone calendars. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to iTunes. Step 2. Disable iCloud on your iPhone. Step 3. Backup calendars from iPhone. Part 4. Export calendars from iPhone via iCloud. Step 1. Establish a stable connection between your phone and network. Step 2. Enable iCloud on your phone. Step 3. Backup iPhone calendars.